Hey guys, this is Srishti Rao and I am the regional makeup trainer for Lentful Cosmetics. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look. It's known as the smoky eyeliner look. So let's get started. I'm going to start it off with this pencil which is from Lentful. It is known as the Smudge Me Eye Pencil in the shade black. You start by applying this over just as an eyeliner. Just overdrawing the liner, and all you have to do is just take the back blending brush and I'm just smudging out the entire liner just like this to give out that smoked out effect. I'm just focusing on the edges of my liner because I want to get the smokiness out in a wing. So I'm just doing that and I'm just moving it in the shape of a wing, as you can see, and I'm just going to draw the liner again on top till the time I don't get the perfect intensity that I want. So I'm just doing that. It is now nicely blended out and it has formed that smoky kind of an effect. I'm just going in an upward direction. So this is how I managed to smoke out the eyeliner. Like this, just by using this brush provided to me by the pencil, just like this one, and I just kind of layered it twice and I just blended it out. So once that is done, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the blush from Lentful. This is the blush. It is in the shade Pink Pop, and I'm just going to take a flat brush like so, and I'm just going to take some product on my brush and I am just going to be applying this on top of my eyeliner just like this to give that pop of color. I'm just going on top and just putting it on top of the entire smoky eyeliner that we created, and I'm moving it all the way towards my crease line and moving on top of my crease line. I'm just going to keep blending, and yeah, this is the outcome of it. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the same pencil and I'm just going to draw on top of it very close to my lash line. Same thing again, just smoke it out. So the first time when we did it, it was just creating this kind of a base to your smokiness, and now you are just doing it for it to be a little more visible and a little more intense. So when you close your eyes, you can see that transition from the very first layer that you made of the smokiness. I'm just going to be applying a little bit of this pencil just on the edges of my lower waterline, and I'm going to leave out the inner corner of my eye because I want my eyes to look a little big. So I'm just doing that just on the edge of my eye, and I'm going to smoke it out again with the same brush that we used to smoke out the eyeliner. So I'm just doing that and I'm joining the line from my lower waterline to the upper wing, that I made. I'm just forming that smokiness using this mascara from Lenfer. This gives like a false lashes kind of a look. It makes your lashes like really heavy and just makes your eyes, gives an enlarged appearance to your eyes. So I'm just running it from my base of my lash line and moving forward, and I'm just shaking it a little bit just to add a little volume, and then I'm just combing through the lashes just like this. Is the completed eye look. Now I'm going to be completing my look by using this lipstick from Lenfer. It is known as a Velvet Stick lipstick. This is in the shade Purple Mystery. I love this shade. It is not too dark, not too light. It's somewhere in between. It has like this brown kind of an undertone to it. So it's like, you know, you can use it as a neutral shade as well as a shade that, you know, to kind of brighten up your face as well. So yeah, I think that's the reason why it's known as Purple Mystery, because it is a very mysterious color, I must say. So anyways guys, this is the completed look, and yeah, I am party ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.